If you're tired of noisy, ceiling-mounted garage door openers taking up valuable overhead space, today's product could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Today, we're reviewing the LiftMaster 98022 Premium Series Jackshaft Garage Door Opener, the replacement for the popular LiftMaster 8500. It features a space-saving wall-mounted design, built-in Wi-Fi, battery backup, ultra-quiet operation, and smart home connectivity. But is this premium garage door opener really worth the investment? Let's find out. Unlike traditional garage door openers that hang from the ceiling, the LiftMaster 98022 mounts beside the garage door. This jackshaft design frees up overhead ceiling space, making it perfect for garages with storage racks, high ceilings, car lifts, or modern garage layouts. It's designed for homeowners who want quieter operation, improved security, and smart control from virtually anywhere. The biggest advantage is its wall-mounted jackshaft design. Instead of using a ceiling rail system, the opener attaches directly to the torsion bar beside the garage door. This creates a cleaner garage appearance while freeing valuable ceiling space. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote monitoring and control using the MyQ app, letting you open, close, and check your garage door from almost anywhere. The integrated battery backup ensures the garage door continues operating even during power outages, providing added convenience and peace of mind. Security is another major strength. The LiftMaster 98022 includes automatic garage door locking functionality for enhanced protection after the door closes. Ultra-quiet operation makes it ideal for homes with bedrooms located above or adjacent to the garage. The system also supports smart home integration, allowing convenient operation alongside compatible home automation systems. Overall construction feels premium, with LiftMaster's reputation for long-term durability and reliable daily performance. In everyday use, the LiftMaster 98022 performs exceptionally well. The direct drive jackshaft mechanism provides smooth and quiet opening and closing. Remote control through the MyQ app works reliably, making it easy to check garage status even when you're away from home. The battery backup activates automatically during power failures, keeping access available when many standard openers stop working. For homeowners looking to modernize their garage while reducing noise and increasing convenience, this opener delivers an excellent user experience. So, is the LiftMaster 98022 Premium Series worth buying? If you're looking for one of the best wall-mounted garage door openers available, the answer is yes. The combination of space-saving installation, quiet operation, built-in Wi-Fi, MyQ Smart Control, battery backup, and advanced security features makes it an outstanding upgrade for modern garages. Although installation may require professional setup and the price is higher than standard chain drive openers, the convenience, reliability, and premium features make it well worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of smart home products, garage technology, home improvement gear, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.